Hello, Frida here. In this video I'd like to show you some notebooks I made that are for sale on Etsy right now. Link below. Yes, I switched crafts again. I do it all the time. Get used to it. Anyway, these cute little notebooks are hand-bound by me, sewn together with sewing thread, glued and bound with a fabric spine and paper front and back with a ribbon bookmark. They are 10.5 centimeter high and 10 centimeter wide. They contain 32 pages, which leaves you 64 sides to write, journal, draw or create on. They all have different kinds of paper in them, with one main color. I like mixing different kinds of paper. Then you have to think, adapt and approach each page differently. Like each day, they are all different. This first one has a blue theme and a blue spine with black and gold packages on the front and back and an antique looking bookplate on the inside front cover. All the bookplates are located on the inside front cover. This next one also has a blue theme with a glass on the front and a garden scene on the back. The third one has a pink theme with a map on the front and back cover. It has lined, squared and pink pages. The fourth is also a pink one, with a bit of an abstract bookcase scene on the front and back. I love this owl bookplate. The fifth is covered in a flowery piece of wallpaper. It has a green theme and a flowery wreath bookplate. The sixth has a lovely flower pot arrangement on the front and accidentally upside down on the back, and is also therefore discounted. The theme is green and it has a flowery bookplate. The seventh one has a bright yellow theme with a glass and flowers on the front and back. The eighth and last one has a peachy theme with a potted pine on the front and back and a lovely Gothic bookplate. These little books are now available on Etsy, link below. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crafty videos. If you want to help make more videos like this, consider sponsoring me on Ko-fi. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time!